This is a very informal video, so I apologize to everyone in advance. I'm gonna show you how I make my ginger and turmeric shots. Okay. These are from Amazon. If you don't know, turmeric is like super, it stains you, okay? So make sure you get gloves. So I used to have the plastic cup for this, but then my sister made a smoothie one day and not realizing it was inside the blender, and she blended it to shreds. Typically from the ginger to turmeric ratio, you want it to be from like a 4:2. I don't know math, so I don't even know if that makes sense, but basically I usually put like, for example, 400 grams of ginger and 200 grams of turmeric. For the turmeric, you can either wash it under the water and like scrub it, or I just like kind of spot peel it. Throw that in. Oh, I forgot a step. Oh my god. I got ahead of myself. We actually need to weigh it first. No, we're gonna add more. Ew. Sorry, I just need a moment. Future reference, if you think your ginger's rotten, please don't smell it. Tell me I'm the man who blame it. Alexa, play Tate McRae.
This is Tate McRae from Spotify.
Ah, yes. My soul is awakened. I hate messes. Oh, by the way, I put 400 grams of ginger, 160 grams of turmeric. Now we gotta juice up our oranges and lemons. Let's go. To make your own homemade ginger and turmeric shots, you can also just add water, but I use orange juice, freshly pressed, because I find it just makes it taste so much better. Okay, does anyone else's boyfriend not know how to pick out fresh vegetables and fruit? Like what deformity is this, sir? Alexa, shut up. All we're missing is pepper. If you do not remember to put pepper in this, your body will not absorb ginger. My issue now is I feel that I am forgetting something. Only tricky part, all right? You need to get this strained. A very tiny fabric cloth. It appears that I do not have a cheesecloth. I'm gonna put this in the fridge for now. All right, guys, as you can tell, it is now nighttime, and Jake did boyfriend duties. He got the cheesecloth. Thank you, Jacob. Oh, what the f?
To cut it.
What do I do with this?
You have to cut it.
I'm overstimulated. Okay, do I cut like this? Oh my god. A singular bowl. You're gonna grab your cheesecloth. Once you successfully
cut it,
you want to fondle the cheesecloth. Hold this cheesecloth by its neck. And you don't want to squeeze it extremely hard, because again, then you're just gonna get unwanted substrates, as some would say.
what a good tutorial.
If you want it to have a sweeter flavor, you're also welcome to put 2 to 3 tablespoons of honey. I'm recording on Jake's phone because my phone has collapsed, actually. We're gonna keep going because I'm determined to finish this video. You don't have to get these. I just find it more satisfying because it's like a replica of the ones you would buy in store. I got these on Amazon, and I will link them in the description. Beautiful. Callie likes her hugs. It's very cute. These. That's the end of today's video. Thank you for coming along and watching me make ginger turmeric shots. Guys, let me know if you try them. Save your money and make your own. Callie. Oh my goodness. All right. Say bye, Callie. Bye-bye.